So let's start with what's happening behind the scenes. So when a lawyer or judge comes into our platform, they will log in using our Amazon Cognito service, which authenticates the users. Then the user has options to get into any of the three cases or the three types of solutions that we have. The first one being the similar cases, where the user can find similar cases based on the current case they have. So they just have to add the documents or the summary of the current case they have, and we will automatically fetch the relevant cases from our database. The database is made up of all the previous commercial cases, laws, and rulings, which is fed into the Neo4j graph database using our state-of-the-art Llama Index technology. So this is the fetch documents are given to the AI agent, which extracts all the relevant information which is needed for the case, and the final output is provided. Similarly, we have created a multilingual chatbot, which is just used to summarize or give information related to the query entered by the user. So we have a lot of long documents which are presented to the court or the judge. So it gets a little tedious to go through all of that manually. So this AI agent would give response to the query submitted by the judge or the lawyer, so that their works get a little easier and the final output is provided. The third solution we have is a IPC section recommender. So there might be a lot of issues with what IPCs would be applicable to this particular case. So in this case, we have a Neo4j database which is fed with all the commercial code laws, amendments which are needed, and the user, when they put in details about the case, like there has been a fraud of this much, as an example, it would check all the similarity between the IPC sections which might be applicable and recommend some IPC sections. The lawyer or the judge can then again review this and take a verdict accordingly. So here the main idea would be that the agent that we are building is unique for every case. It has been prompted with chain of thought thinking, so that it can leverage what the question is and what information it needs to extract it. And again, we have vernacular languages supported, so the output may be in whatever language you can select. And the blue lines that you can see are encrypted data, because the user is feeding a lot of sensitive information. So we are trying to make it as private as possible. Thank you.
them. So this is the homepage. Since I'm a new user, I'll just sign up. In the backend, we are using AWS Cognito to authenticate the user. This is done to keep the privacy of the chats which have been made in this particular app. Now this has sent a code to my email. Just check it. This is the verification code. Just copy paste this here, and the account has been confirmed. Then we go to login, and it autofills. We go to login. This is the app. So we have worked on one of the modules which we have proposed, which is multilingual chatbot. What this does is it gives you the summary or any of the queries you want in a big document. It gives you some specific search which you can do. So yes, you can upload any of the documents. First, I'll show you the document which I'm going to upload. This is the document. This is one of the cases which we have got from public resources. This is a government paper. So what we'll do is we'll just upload it here. We'll just upload it. We'll submit and process. It gives you output in multiple languages. So it has been done. So I am saying that I want a summary of this document. and I press enter. So it will give me the summary of this document in a very short manner. So this is the summary which is it is giving me from the particular document. If I want to change the language to Hindi, I can also do that. So yes, the other question which I can ask, I want to mention all the IPC sections in this document. So it has mentioned all the IPC sections which are in this particular document. So yeah, that's it. This is just a basic bot and we'll improve on this later. Thank you.